Welcome to the tutorial on how you can optimize your blog with meta tags using Blog Module in Prestashop. This module is developed by FME Modules, a leading Prestashop development company with over 140 modules in its catalog. Let's start by going to the Prestashop backend. First, ensure that the blog module is installed. Click on the Post section in the sidebar to access all your posts. Next, edit the post to which you want to add meta tags. Scroll down to see the SEO section for this post. Here you can add meta title, meta keywords, and meta descriptions. Let's fill these out with some appropriate metas. Click the Save button to apply these metas. Now let's move to the front end. Here, you can see that the metas we configured have been applied. That's how you can set metas using Prestashop Blog Module by FME Modules. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us on our website.